Hey girl, congratulations on your upcoming wedding. And I may not know all the deets about your love life. I know you as a friend, yes friend. So, and also I know you're a very good daughter, super galing na ate. So I know 100% you're gonna be a perfect wife to your future husband, yes. Anyway, congrats again. Miss you, love you. Hope to see you soon. Sana magtugma yung mga vacation natin para travel. Bye, I love you.
Hi, Inday! Congratulations sa inyo ni Ray Anthony. Grabe! Alam mo naman, hindi ako ready sa mga ganito. Kilala mo ako. Ayun, so, dati, pag sinasabi na, ano, kakasal ka na, ganyan, ano sinasabi ni Tita Judith? Bata pa kayo. Pero ngayon, ano kaya reaction niya? Siguro sabi niya, sige na, dalaga ka na. Ayan, congrats. Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko. Well, ayun, yun lang. Sige ako, hindi ako ready. Pasensya na. Pero congratulations. Miss you. Hope to see you soon. Sana andyan ako. Ay, nakakainis na COVID. Hindi natuloy yung mga plano natin. Anyway, congrats again. Yun. Ingat kayo dyan. Bye. Love you.
Hello, Beshi Selena. Congratulations. I'm so happy kasi kakasal ka na. And finally, nakita mo na I'm the one for you. And si Ray Anthony yun. Makakasama mo habang buhay. Ang may papayo ko lang sa pag-aasawa is, tandaan mo, lahat ng problema na dadaan sa usapan. And lagi nyong i-center si God sa inyong marriage. And if you need advice, just message me. And tandaan mo, laging nandito lang kami ng kaibigan mo para sa'yo. And more babies to come. I love you and I miss you. See you soon. See you soon sa kasal nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Hopefully magkasama-sama na tayong lahat. I love you so much and I really, really miss you. Mwah. Enjoy your wedding sa December. Love you.
What? Ay, ano ba yan? Ang sama ng gising ko, Day. Ang lungkot naman ng Pasko. Uy! Sa Christmas tree pa man din ako nakatayo. Hindi ito pwede. Kalungkot-lungkot lahat na lang. Eh, totoo ba? Hindi ito ang pinag-usapan. Hindi rin ito ang plano. May ilang taon mo akong inatak, in-excite. Nakakalungkot talaga. Kung sino pa ang mga paborito ko, wala talaga eh. Dito sa Malinaw, si Mutsya. Ang dami-daming plano. Ang sarap-sarap ng mga ilusyon na kung ano mangyayari. Wala rin. Yung paborito ko rin sa Pangasinan, my God! Totoo! Wala rin kaganapan. Ano ba naman yan, Selena? Bakit? Wala tayong magagawa dyan, oy. Pero okay na din, Day, kasi maganda naman yung lahi ng napangasawa mo. Pag nag-combine yung dugo natin sa dugo nila, medyo maganda ang magiging pamangkin ko. Sana hindi maging huling sugo. Alam mo na yan, di ba? Nang matapos na rin ang sumpa. At bali mo maging Miss San Carlos. Sana rin yung height ng magiging bata o magmana sa'yo. Dahil pang dito Miss Philippines lang ang aabuti ng bata. Di ba? Well, wala akong magagawa, Day. Kakasal ka na. Ano pa bang masasabi ko dito? Congratulations! Bigyan ng jacket yan! Oh, sana. Masaya ka, mamimiss ko na yung pagiging dalaga mo. Pero tama rin. Mabuti na rin magpakasal ka kasi baka maging makunat na yung matres mo, Day. Sa kakaantay ng tamang panahon, hindi ka pa magkaanak. Kaya mag-anak ka ng madami, ha? Kasi maganda, mabuti lang talaga at maganda rin yung lahi ng napangasawa ko. Kailangan mong magpaanak ng marami. Kasi nag-aanak ka ng mga tsaka. Ikaw ba, di ba? Love you! Congratulations! Happy wedding day! Sana mabless agad kayo ng maraming baby. Yun lang. At saka, keep safe sa COVID. Pero nagulat talaga ako. Pero wala naman yun. Masaya naman ako. Joke lang yun. Alam mo naman, basta para sa inyo at kung saan kayo masaya, masaya na din ako. May magagawa pa ba ako? Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
So, I hope you enjoy the remaining days of being single and be blessed of what God awaits you as a married couple, having kids and taking care of them. I also hope that you enjoyed the night. Sa mga taong nag-prepare for today's bridal shower, congratulations din sa inyo dahil successful yung event na pagsisurprise natin kay Selena. I can't wait to see you, Ate Tina, here in Manila, walking down the aisle. See you in the Philippines. Congratulations! Enjoy your night. Bye-bye!
Masaya kami at sa wakas matutuloy na ang kasal niyo ni Anthony. Sana sa oras na yun, mag-enjoy kayo at sana yung mag-going smooth ang pagsasama ninyo. Congratulations and best wishes. Stay safe. Regards.
Best wishes. Sabi mo kay Tita Selena, best wishes. Love you. Flying kiss. Abay tila.
Bye-bye. Ingat. And enjoy your day.
Mapagpalang buhay sa ating lahat. Inay, kakasal ka na! Finally! And I'm so honored na i-message ni mama mo para maging part nitong video greeting surprise. And I'm so honored na mag-message ngayon. Para po sa short background, ako po ay isa sa mga old friend ni Selena. And Selena, naaalala mo pa ba nung una nating makasakay ng aeroplano nung nasa airport pa tayo noong 2013? Yung most na nakakatawang moment na naaalala ko kasama ka. Na para ba tayong iniwan sa airport, mga musmus na iniwan sa airport, tapos umiiyak. Then mugto na yung mata natin, tapos nag-flood na yung luha, halos hindi na natin makita yung surroundings. Then, nakabunggo pa tayo ng kapwa nating Pinay, tas naipit yung paa niya sa trolley, tas galit na galit siya. Well, enough of reminiscing the past. I'm here to greet you na I'm happy na ikakasal na nga kayo. Then, to give you a piece of advice bilang mag-asawa. Bilang old friend mo na nakakaranas na ng married life, I can give you a very practical advice. First and foremost, huwag kakalimutan na ang buhay mag-asawa at ang kasal ay isang covenant. Hindi lamang ito covenant between you and Anthony or Anthony between you. But this is covenant between you, Selena, Anthony, and God. So sabi nga nila, ito yung pinakamasayang third party. Dahil ang marriage ay exclusive lamang sa tatlo. Sa babae, sa lalaki, at syempre ang Panginoon. Then imagine this is your hand and this is the hand of Anthony. Magkahawak kayo. Well, to face the fact of reality, may time na dahil sa struggle, hirap, may isang bibitaw or both kayong bibitaw. But the benefits na ginawa niyong sentro ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa inyong pagmamahalan. Pag dumating na yung panahon na bumitaw kayong dalawa, may isa pang kamay na nakahawak sa inyo to stick on that covenant. So remember, marriage is not only the covenant between two people, but covenant with God. And then, second advice ko, ito lang yung mga supplement lang, na isulat niyo yung marriage vow niyo, then i-keep niyo to. Kasi pag darating nga panahon na may dumating na hardship, struggle, tapos na-frustrate kayo, balikan nyo lang yung salita, yung message na sinabi nyo sa isa't isa. Ito pala yung pinangako ko kay Selena, dapat ko itong gampanan. Ito pala yung pinangako ko kay Anthony, dapat kong gampanan. And isa puso nyo na hindi nyo lamang ito sinambit sa isa't isa, kundi ito yung pangako nyo sa Diyos. So that's all, and my prayers that may God bless you favor upon favor, blessing upon blessing, and may God grant you the desires of your heart na i-equip kayo para bumuo ng pamilya and to fulfill your dreams. God bless.
Hi!
Congratulations! Wishing you joy, love, and happiness on your wedding day.
And as you begin your new life together, hope to see you soon.
God bless and keep safe you both.
Sending love from Auntie Paula to Abu Dhabi. Bye!
Hi, Ate Ina and Kuya Anthony. Congratulations on your wedding day.
We hope to see you soon.
God bless!
Hello, Ina! Masaya kami at ikakasal ka na. Sana kasama mo kami sa mahalagang pangyayari sa buhay mo. Kaso, dahil sa sitwasyon ngayon, malayo kami. So, dadasal na lang kami na magiging successful ang araw na yon.
Hi, Ina. We are happy that you are happy with Ray. At matutuloy na ang inyong matagal na balak na magpakasal. Although malayo kami sa iyo, our spirits are with you. Patuloy lang natin ipagdasal na magiging maganda at successful ang inyong buhay mag-asawa. Asahan mo na palagi kayong kasama sa aming mga dasal. We love you both.
Congratulations and best wishes! Selena John and Ray Anthony Magro!
Hi, Nina. Masaya kami ng papa nyo dahil sa nalalapit yung kasal. Gusto sana naming mag-attend kaya lang hindi talaga pwede gawa ng pandemic. But we are so happy and excited for both of you. At bilang magulang, we will pray for you to maintain the love, to have a happy marriage, and always put God as the center of your relationship. Life and love is about humbling yourself with each other. Our congratulations, welcome to the family, and rest assured, Ina, we will love you as much as Ray loves you. We are always here for both of you.
Ako naman, ang wish ko lang to you both is to have a fruitful marriage. Kasi yun naman talaga ang matagal nang hinihintay ng mga. wish you all the best to the new chapter of your life. Welcome to the family and congratulations.
Welcome, Ina!
Hello, Ate Ina. Congratulations sa inyo ni Kuya Ray. Ikakasal na kayo dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Sana maging masaya kayo palagi. At sana maging matagumpayan yung wedding dyan sa Abu Dhabi. Maraming salamat pala sa mga blessings na ibigay mo sa amin dito. Kay Zach, sorry dahil pasaway ako sa mga kasalanan ko. Sana kahit na may pamilya ka ng sarili, may anak na kayo, sana hindi mo pa rin kami makalimutan. Nandito rin kami para tulungan ka kung may problema kayo.
Ate Ina, first I want to congratulate you and Kuya Anthony on your wedding. I hope that you're gonna be a good wife to the luckiest man, and that's Kuya Anthony. And I want you to know that I'm glad to have a sister-in-law like you, who always support me. Sometimes I think you're just not a blessing for me, but you are the blessing to my family. The way you supported us is just fabulous. Thank you for all the support, especially to Zacchaeus. It's a dream to have a sister-in-law like you. You are cute, sincere, beautiful, and a cheering person. Again, congrats and thank you for everything you did for us. Wishing you joy, love, happiness on your wedding day as you begin your new life together. We love you and we miss you.
Okay. Ako na. Script pa. Haba.
Hello everyone. First, I want to thank all of my sister's friends for being with her, supporting and loving her so that she won't miss me. I mean, miss us much. Congratulations, my sisterette and Kuya Ray. This is it, pansit. Ikakasal na din kayo. Sana may baby na agad. Kasi malapit nang maalis edad nyo sa kalendaryo. Wishing you both happiness. I hope that your life together is filled with every blessing. Thank you and congratulations!
Congrats ate. Sana maging happy ka at sa future family mo. We will always be there for you.
Hi guys! First of all, I would like to thank you for organizing this bridal shower for our dearest Ina. Actually, early this year, we have already started planning for the wedding of Ray and Ina here in the Philippines. And it was supposedly scheduled August 28. I am very excited as a mother because, of course, it is the first wedding in the family. But pandemic came and everything changed. As parents, we are a little bit sad because we will not be there during this meaningful event in Ina's life. But on the other hand, we're also happy because I know she's in the company of good friends, some of Ray's family and also Ray himself. Ina, you know we love you so much and misses you. I hope that you will be happy in your married life. Just put God in the center of your relationship so that nothing will go wrong. You know, I'm always praying for you and Ray, and I hope that your life together will be showered with lots of love and happiness. Congratulations and best wishes. Love you.
Bye! We love you!
Bye. Enjoy the party, guys. Enjoy the party. God bless all. God bless us all.
Hi love, kamusta? Kamusta ang bridal shower mo? Enjoy ba? Galing, sana ako din may pastag party. First and foremost, sana hindi ka nagsisi sa desisyon na pakasalan ako. Ilang araw na lang, Mrs. Paz ka na. Hindi ko plan to eh. Plan to ni Ate Jen. So, thank you Ate Jen and the rest of the crew. Maraming salamat po for celebrating or giving a surprise party for my soon-to-be wife. Thank you! I am ready to annoy you for the rest of my life. Naks, ganda pang 8 days more. And I can say it's official na wifey na kita. Naks na. Hindi kasi tayo sanay sa ganitong video eh. Anyways, I love you so much. Thank you, love. Because you play a big part on whoever I am today. Dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ng, alam mo yun, yung katutunguhan yung buhay ko. I love you.